Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, we're going to go over some Dollar General laundry supplies coupon deals that are going to be so cheap for you to stock up this Saturday, November 18th at Dollar General. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, with 2023 almost coming to an end, believe it or not, I still can't believe it. I am really curious about tonight's question. I want to know, what is your biggest couponing goal for the rest of 2023? For me, it is definitely 2 things. One, I want to build up my stockpile of my paper towels. And with me switching over to more non-toxic cleaning supplies, I use white vinegar in almost everything all around my house. So I really want to build up my stockpile of it. So I want to know, what is your biggest goal for the rest of couponing in 2023? Let me know down below in the comments. If you could do me a quick favor and share this couponing deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money because we could all use some extra savings, I'd really appreciate it. That way I can get these couponing deals out to them and help them too. Plus, sharing my deal videos is one of the best ways to support my work here on my YouTube channel. It makes a huge difference with my videos, and again, it is so greatly appreciated. So let's get started with these deals. Now, I don't know about you, but out of all the items in my stockpile, there is just something about seeing full shelves of laundry cleaning supplies that just makes the couponer's heart and me just truly happy and sing. Because whenever you're working and you have a lot of laundry to do and it's like your main goal for the entire day, the one thing you don't want to do is run out of your laundry supplies, because then you lose all your momentum and your will to do any of the work. So if you want to build up your laundry supply stockpile, we're going to go over some great deals. In this first deal, grab 1 big bottle of Gain laundry detergent, one of the 2 boxes of the Suavitel dryer sheets, the 36 count size. I apologize for not including the second box image, but to be clear, you got to get 2 boxes for this one. Then grab 1 small bottle of Gain fabric softener and 1 of the Gain Easy Squeeze dish soaps, which is a great stain pre-treater, by the way. After all coupons, our Tolev pocket comes down to just $13.10 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, side note, when I had my son almost 5 years ago, I used to use Ajax dish soap to get all of his poo stains out of his baby onesies, and it worked every single time. Do you know how much I would have loved to have had this Easy Squeeze container? It would have made my life so much easier, because I keep one of these in my laundry room at all times. Whew, that would be a game changer for me. Speaking of cleaning baby laundry, we have 2 separate Dreft laundry detergent coupons, which is just unheard of. On a good week, we get maybe that $3 off coupon, but we have 2 separate ones. And if you have any baby showers coming up over the next couple of months, I'm telling you, this would be a phenomenal baby shower present, because this stuff is super expensive and no mom really wants to have to pay for it. So why don't you help her out and stock up? So in this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Dreft laundry detergents and 1 of the Colgate Plaque Pro Release toothpaste. After all coupons, our Tolev pocket comes down to just $13.50 plus tax for a 53% off savings. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you know hands down one of my favorite laundry cleaning supplies that Dollar General sells is definitely the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This stuff is so underrated. It's a great substitute for the name brand. The only reason I originally got it, like almost a year ago, was because I was I was at Dollar General looking for the name brand, and they were completely sold out. This is all they had, and I was pleasantly surprised. It's a 3-pound size tub for almost half the price of the name brand. So if you want to stock up, grab 1 tub of the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, a small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, a bag of Tide Power Pods, and one of the Lysol Air Sanitizers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.25 plus tax for a 48% off savings, which is pretty amazing when you consider $5 of this out of pocket alone is just that True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, and we didn't even have a coupon for it. But, since I mentioned it, I would love some coupons for this Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner over the next couple months. That would be fantastic. Yep, I'd be super excited. Now, am I bummed that the Shout Stain Remover Instant Savings expired a while back? Yes. Yes, I am. I was definitely excited to have it while we did. But like I always tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean we still can't score a great deal on it, especially this week. We have so many high-value coupons that when we work into these deals with the items that we don't have coupons for, it helps lower our out-of-pocket and kind of makes up for it. So in this next deal, grab 2 of these Shout Stain Removers, 1 48-count pack of Always Discreet liners, 1 bag of the Arm & Hammer laundry packs. And if you've never tried these specific 5-in-1 Arm & Hammer laundry packs, I promise you're missing out. This stuff is amazing. It does such a great job. I even used it in my mop bucket and it cut through all the dirt and stuff on my floors. Whew. This stuff is amazing. Then grab 1 small bottle of Gain fabric softener and a small bag of Gain flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13 even plus tax for a 52% off savings. And like the previous deal, that is amazing when you can consider $7.50 of this deal is just that Shout. See what I'm saying? We don't necessarily need a coupon for something just to score a great deal. I mean, it's appreciated, and of course we want the coupons, but it's not always necessary. We just have to get a little bit creative. In our next laundry supplies couponing deal, we're going to focus on stocking up on a lot of liquid laundry detergent all in one shopping trip. So grab 1 of those big bottles of Gain detergent, a small bottle of Gain detergent, and 1 small bottle of Tide liquid laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.95 plus tax for a 48% off savings. Now that is a lot of laundry detergent for such a cheap out of pocket. If you're like me and you've been working on substituting some of the cleaning supplies around your house for some non-toxic substitutes, these next couple of deals are definitely right up your alley. I've been focusing on swapping out, I don't know why I said replenishing, swapping out several of my cleaners and my fabric softener for white vinegar. And I promise you, when you use it in your laundry, when it comes out of the washer, it does not smell like white vinegar. You would think it would, but it doesn't. And it does such a great job and has doesn't have any of those chemicals. So in this deal, we're going to grab 2 gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, and a small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.50 plus tax for a 51% off savings. And then this next deal, we're only going to get 1 gallon of the Clover Valley white vinegar. Then we're going to get 4 bottles of the hydrogen peroxide. This is the 16-ounce size bottle. A bag of Tide Power Pods. 2 of this very specific Vaseline lotion, I'll explain in a minute. And then 1 of the Febreze plug-in oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.30 plus tax for a 60% off savings. Now, the reason why it has to be this specific Vaseline lotion, because in pure Dollar General form, for some odd reason, the $4 off 2 Vaseline coupon is only applying to this variety of the $4 size bottles. Is it supposed to be applying to all of them? Yes, absolutely it is. But if you don't want to risk having any issues at the register, get this almond scent. It's going to work for you. But if you want to get one of the other ones, I highly encourage you to do it. And when you get home and you realize the coupon didn't come off, don't worry. Get your receipt, come back to this deal video and go in the video description. I'll have the information for the phone number and the email address for the department at Dollar General for you to contact them and get reimbursed for that coupon, because there is 0 reasons for this coupon not to be attached. And I promise you, it is not a glitch. Definitely get your reimbursement. Our next coupon deal is one that I wrote because I am super sad that we haven't had any coupons for the Lysol laundry sanitizer over the last, it feels like months, y'all. I love stocking up on this stuff and I'm really missing those coupons. So if you want to have a great substitute, Dollar General sells this gallon-sized bottle of Odoban fresh linen disinfectant, and you can use it in your laundry. It smells really good, and it's a concentrate, so it's going to last you a while. So grab one of those gallon-sized bottles of Odoban fresh linen disinfectant, grab a small bag of Tide Pods, a Colgate Plaque Pro Release toothpaste, and one of the Febreze plug-in oil warmers. Definitely one of my favorite filler items. Then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Moving on. In this next deal, we're going to focus on stocking up on a lot of laundry pods, and I mean a lot of laundry pods. So grab one of the Tide Power Pods, 2 bags of the small size regular Tide Pods. These are the ones that are $5.50 each. And then grab a small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax for a 55% off savings. We're barely paying a little bit more than the full retail of that Tide Power Pods, and we're getting all the other ones basically for free. Such a great time to stock up. Now, in this next coupon deal, we're going to focus on grabbing some great Gain scented items. So grab one 60-count tub of Gain Flings, a 105-count box of Gain dryer sheets, and 2 cans of the Febreze Air Effects. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.15 plus tax for a 51% off savings. Now, if you by chance got the $5 off 20 Gain coupon like I did, also clip it, because if you do that, you'll save an extra $5 if your store hasn't already updated register systems and the Gain coupon and the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon still attached. You'll save an extra $5, bringing this out of pocket down to just $8.15 plus tax. Such a great deal. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking Gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our Gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our Love Live Save couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future coupon and deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.